Welcome to the crypto live stream. I finally got this thing to work. I finally got this to work. This is going to absolutely drive me insane. Uh, let's finally get started here. Welcome to the Crypto Andrew channel, where we go live Mondays and Saturdays at 11 p.m. Central Time. Now that we finally got this to work, I can share the stream. And let's try all this all over again. I'm gonna lose my patience in a second. Okay. Alrighty. Uh, um, Smoothly. What a nightmare this has been. We are in fear right now. Yesterday we were in extreme fear at 25. I do want to let you guys know before we get too far into this. I don't think I'll be live Monday because I am working. But I will be live next time in a week from today. We do have a Discord where I give you trade setups throughout the day and also Bitcoin updates throughout the day. So if you guys are interested in that, that is in the description below. But let's get. So I do want to start on the weekly time frame. Right now, the weekly time frame is oversold. It is in this bull pennant. So the measure moved for $1,000. Now going down to the 3-day time frame, 3-day time frame is what the pattern. So you do need to get the bounce here, otherwise you are at risk of losing the channel and going back to that low there at $49,000. If that happens, I would be looking for the next support below that would be $47,000. So that is just something to take note of for the bearish scenario. If you lose $49,000, the next stop would be for Bitcoin on the 3-day time frame. Now, if we go again here at $62,900, I am looking for more bearish than bullish. Your next targets to the downside would be 57,600. I will say I'm in a short on Bitcoin with a stop loss at 60,000. I'm just pretty quickly. The 15-minute time frame just lost a 21-day moving average. Usually when that happens, it goes down to 200, which is currently at $59,000 exactly. So I'm looking for a move back down to 59,000 and probably on the higher time frames down to 57,000, and we can just expect more downside. Plus, it is the weekend, so now people are in fear, like I just said, and I'm looking for more downside to the downside. If you lose 57,600, you can expect to go down to the last low 53,000. Yeah, there's also a local low at $53,400, so that also acts as support. So if you lose 57,006, you can look for 50,600. It's kind of what we're looking at. If you lose 53,600, I'd be looking for 49,000 and for 60,600. That would be the next resistance to the upside at 60,600. But for right now, I'm looking for more downside. I will tell you, I'm kind of watching some of these altcoins because they have been doing pretty well despite Bitcoin kind of going so on. MNDE is one that I'm in a long on. I got in this at 13.3. It did go up to 15, and now it's retraced. So now I'm hoping that we continue to the upside here. I do not understand. Yep, MNDE. Yeah, I would just pretend like with the measurement of a side. This is a coin SD, also 100 on the 5 hour. Just some altcoins that I'm looking at. If you guys have requests, let me know. Otherwise, I'll be back Saturdays, 11 p.m. Central Time. No viewers right now. That's actually depressing. It's probably because I had some technical difficulty. Um, I don't know. That's kind of all I got happening, assuming Bitcoin doesn't crash, which I'll say this, altcoins are starting to look okay to me. But Bitcoin still isn't going to happen really soon. If Bitcoin goes back down to those lows at 49, 42,000, 47,000, I should say, I unfortunately, all these altcoins are not going to happen. But for right now, altcoin season does seem to be here. If Bitcoin can hold these levels at $60,000 down to 57,600 for the next stop on Bitcoin. Hopefully, I'm wrong. The only way I could negate that sentiment that I am bearish right now would be if we break 60,600 to the upside, which is resistance, and then I'll be bullish again. But otherwise, for Bitcoin, I'm bearish. For altcoins, I'm actually bullish on some. So see what happens. But that's kind of my update for the markets right now. I will say long term, I would be buying right now for my long term bags because the market isn't fear, and usually when the market's in fear, that's when you want to buy. So I'll leave it at that. That's my market update. And I'll see you guys in the next live stream a week from today, and then we'll be back on schedule starting next week. But Monday I will not be live because I am working. I might reschedule that to Thursday, but for right now, I'm going to just cancel it. But yeah, we'll see what happens, and I'll see you guys in the next live stream, 11 p.m. Central Time on Saturday. Yeah. All right, that's all I got.